Walk This Way is brought to you by Father to Father. Hi, Lisa Marie Carr here. I'm really looking forward to co-hosting the next Walk This Way with BBC Radio London's Eddie Nestor MBE.
My name's Eddie. I'm really excited about this show because here is a show that we can affect a change.
As well as co-hosting, I'll have an opportunity to share my journey with you about how I became a magistrate. Watch Walk This Way on Father to Father YouTube or Facebook channels.
Let's tell you who's on it.
The CEO and founder, Courtney Brown, will be sharing with us why he felt the need to make this series of podcasts, showing us how we can be the change we want to see. Joining us will be the CEO and founder of Inspirational You, Sonia McGee, and Dr. Angela Herbert, MBE, who will talk about how we can become part of our local independent advisory group, influencing policing policy.
Consultant and educational psychologist Laverne Antrobus. So that's us. I'm looking for you now to share the word. I'm looking for you to tell people. Because we can't just moan, we've got to do something. Right, here's a lovely opportunity.
As the great Eldridge Cleaver said, if you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. So please, don't miss it.
Thank you to Father to Father. Thank you to Nexus and Enfield Council. Myself and Lisa Marie Carr. Thursday,
the 7th of October at 8 p.m. and you can comment and ask any questions to one of us.
I'm looking for you now to share the word. I'm looking for you to tell people.
Please join us on the 7th of October for what promises to be an inspirational and informative, lively discussion.
I'm looking forward very much to doing it. I'm looking forward to having you with us as well.